Hi, beautiful soul. Thank you so much for joining me. And welcome to Daily Glow Affirmations, your sacred space for clarity, calm, and inner renewal. When you're ready, come to a comfortable seated position, or you can lie down, closing your eyes, clearing your mind, coming into this present moment. When the world feels noisy or overwhelming, it's powerful to return to stillness within. Affirmations help us realign with peace and mental clarity. Let your mind rest as we begin with a few deep, intentional breaths. Inhale, let your belly expand. Exhale, belly toward the spine. Breathe in and out of your nose, filling your breath as nourishment to your body. Take a deep breath in, and on the exhale, let go of mental tension. Inhale clear, focused energy. Exhale confusion and noise. Inhale, feel peace enter your body with your breath, flowing through all the cells of your being. And exhale, slowly release mental clutter. Open your heart and mind to receive these affirmations. Repeat them with presence and let your inner clarity shine through. Allow yourself to feel love and gratitude with each affirmation, knowing they are true for you in this moment. Affirming, I am calm, clear, and present in this moment. My mind is open and focused. I release overthinking and trust the flow of life. Stillness lives within me. I return to my breath when I need peace. My thoughts support my well-being. I am centered and grounded in truth. I allow clarity to guide my decisions. Peace is my natural state. I am not my thoughts. I am the awareness behind them. I easily tune into my inner wisdom. Distractions fade as I choose calm and focus. My energy flows where my attention goes. I choose peace over pressure. I allow space in my mind for clarity to arise. Allow yourself to feel gratitude. Let your mind settle in this space of peace. Clarity comes when we pause, breathe, and reconnect. Thank you for taking this time to reset and return to your glow. Come back whenever you need a mental refresh. Thank you for sharing this space with me. The light within me sees and honors the light within you. Namaste.